Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to study abroad, demonstrating your English proficiency is often a key requirement. Today, we are breaking down three major English language proficiency tests: the PTE, Pearson Test of English, TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, and IELTS, International English Language Testing System. We'll discuss each test in detail, provide tips for preparation, and guide you on where to find sample questions and answers. Let's get started. Please consider subscribing to the channel if it has helped you in any way. We have three segments in this discussion. Segment 1, Overview of English Proficiency Tests. Segment 2, Tips and Tricks for Preparation. Segment 3, Where to find sample questions and answers. Segment 1, Overview of English Proficiency Tests. PTE, Pearson Test of English. Purpose, English Proficiency Test for studying and working abroad. Format. Sections, speaking and writing, reading, and listening. Duration, approximately 3 hours. Scoring, 10 to 90 points, with separate scores for each section and an overall score. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language. Purpose, English Proficiency Test for academic and professional purposes. Format. Sections, reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Duration, approximately 4 hours. Scoring, 0 to 120 points, with separate scores for each section. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. Purpose, English Proficiency Test for academic and immigration purposes. Format. Sections, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Duration, approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes. Scoring, 1 to 9 bands, with separate bands for each section and an overall band score. Segment 2, Tips and Tricks for Preparation. PTE Preparation. Start early. Begin preparing 2 to 3 months before your test date. Create a study plan and stick to it. Understand the format. Familiarize yourself with the test format and types of questions. Use official practice materials to get accustomed to the test environment. Practice regularly. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions. Focus on improving your speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. Use prep books and online resources. Books, PTE Academic Test Builder by Pearson. Online resources, Pearson PTE Official Practice, Margouche. TOEFL Preparation. Start early. Begin studying 3 to 6 months before your test date. Develop a study schedule that covers all sections of the test. Use official study materials. Books, The Official Guide to the TOEFL Test by ETS. Online resources, ETS TOEFL website, Margouche. Practice each section. Focus on reading comprehension, listening skills, and academic writing. Practice speaking responses and get feedback on your performance. Take practice tests. Simulate test conditions to build endurance and improve time management. IELTS Preparation. Start early. Start your preparation 3 to 6 months before the test. Build a study plan that addresses all test sections. Understand the test format. Get familiar with the test structure and types of questions. Use practice tests and past papers to understand question formats. Improve language skills. Practice reading, listening, speaking, and writing in various contexts. Take mock tests and review your answers to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Use official and supplementary resources. Books, The Official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. Online resources, IELTS.org, British Council, and IDP Education. Segment 3, Where to find sample questions and answers. PTE, TOEFL, and IELTS resources. PTE. Official website, Pearson PTE. Prep books, available on Amazon. Online platforms, Pearson PTE Official Practice, Margouche. TOEFL. Official website, ETS TOEFL. Prep books, The Official Guide to the TOEFL Test by ETS. Online platforms, ETS TOEFL, Margouche, Kaplan. IELTS. Official website, IELTS.org. Prep books, The Official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. Online platforms, British Council, IDP Education, Cambridge IELTS. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you understand the PTE, TOEFL, and IELTS tests and equips you with the tools you need to prepare effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have have any questions or want to share your own test preparation tips, leave a comment below. Good luck with your English proficiency tests and see you in the next video.